Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change YouTube theme from light theme to dark theme. And also before that, make sure you subscribe. So yeah, first open your YouTube and then go to the icon which is showing right there, and then go down to appearance, click on it, and then select dark theme, and there you go, that's it. And now for mobile users, go to the same icon and go to settings and then select general right here, and then go switch on the dark theme, and that's it. It's just so simple guys, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, and thank you guys.
Okay,
bye.
bye.